Welcome back on today's version of cheap bonsai. Well, I don't like the word cheap. I like financially responsible. I have 1,000 hobbies and I spend too much money on all of them. So today I'm going to try and find the most expensive part of bonsai, in my opinion, which is pots. It's crazy how much bonsai pots cost, so I'm going to try and find like stoneware and bakingware that I can use as pots. And I'm at one of my favorite spots, the Goodwill. And right across the street over there, I don't know if you can see it, is the Salvation Army. So we're going to go in here and we're going to see what we can find. And I'll update you when I get out. Alright, so a little bit of success in the first Goodwill. I found this cool little, it's actually Japanese made teacup set. It's tiny. There's my hand for reference, but it'll be a cool little mame. I have this Fukian tea cutting that is growing really well, and it's like a cascade style, and I think it'll be perfect in this little thing. I'll drill some holes in the bottom. I'm excited about this cool little thing. It's gonna make a neat video. And look at this. I was walking out and I saw this, and now this thing, it'll need some feet attached to it, which is fine, and some holes drilled in it. But how cool is that? Retro looking, pretty good sized, probably 9 inches across, so pretty cool. So far I'm in for $5.58. Let's go to the next stop. Stop 2, Salvation Army. This is a bigger store, usually has a better selection. We'll see. Okay, stop number 2, Salvation Army. They had a bigger selection, and they had some bigger stuff, but it was just, for $9, if I'm gonna pay $9 for a bowl that might crack this winter, and this is an experiment, it better look cool, and it was just kind of alright, so I didn't buy any of it. So I bought some more like tiny stuff, so it's like the mame day, I guess. But get this really cool looking little cascade pot. It is another made in Japan piece, so that's kind of neat. I won't focus, but anyways, it says 1989 Japan garden gazebo. And then I got this cool little thing. It's just a regular old flower pot. It's got a nice glaze. I really like the way it looks. And I got another cool little teapot, another made in Japan teapot set, and I think these are going to be cool. They're going to be fun videos to do. More to come on those. The two kind of bigger things I got are these Royal Ironstone Alfred Meeking England bowls, I guess. I'm gonna have to drill holes in them, but they're pretty cool looking. They have this like gold flake line around the outside, and it's fluting. But the thing I liked about them best is they have feet. I don't know if you can see that. So when I do the drainage holes there, I won't have to add feet to these. They will be able to drain. So I got 2 of them for $5. Pretty good deal. So we'll mess with this stuff when we get home, drill some holes, see if they survive that, and then we'll see if they survive the weather. More to come. Alright, so this is what we got from Goodwill and Salvation Army, all in $16-ish. We got this real weird miniature cascade pot. That's going to be fun. Got some ideas for maybe a weeping willow. Got these tiny little made in Japan teacup sets. I really like this orange one. They had 2. I should have totally bought them both. Look at that handle. It's so neat. Trico, hand painted, Nagoya, Japan. It's got like gold. Pretty neat. Nice little flower pot, already drilled. Pretty good sized stoneware. These 2 pretty cool bowls with feet already on them, so that they can drain. I don't know if you can see that. 2 different sizes. The other day I picked this up in the clearance rack at Menards. Didn't have a hole in it already. It was made in Germany, so I drilled some holes in it, put some screen in it. Could have put a juniper, or I mean a mugo pine. I'm gonna put this mugo pine in there. cascade style. So every time I decide to film a video, somebody in my neighborhood cuts their grass. So we're gonna drill some holes in these pots we just got. These are cheap diamond bits that I got off eBay. I'm gonna start with one of these. We're gonna see how it goes. A block of wood, and I'm gonna drill into. Should probably be drilling on this side. I'm gonna try this way on this one. Do an experiment. Try this way. We'll see how it goes. Need a little water in there. Drilling speed. That worked good. Okay, everything has been drilled out. These tiny teacups have even been drilled out. Wire holes. Yeah, no, we'll put something in them maybe. I think I'm gonna do a separate video for this and this. Maybe even this. So keep an eye out. Update videos. Thanks for watching.